Hi, this is Jolin Clay Joe's Play channel. On this video, we are going to see about Amazon rainforest. Come on, let's go to see the video. The Amazon rainforest is the biggest rainforest in the world. It covers around 1.4 billion hectares. It is bigger than all the other rainforests in the world. The Amazon rainforest is twice the size of India. Do you know? India is the 7th largest country in the world. There are 16,000 different tree species grow in the Amazon rainforest. This Amazon rainforest is located in South America. We can see the Amazon rainforest in NASA satellite image of South America. Wow! Look at the dark green area at the top of the continent. Not only that, 20% of the Earth's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. 9 countries share the Amazon basin, but most part of the Amazon rainforest is on Brazil. The fact is the Amazon River. The Amazon River is the world's second longest river. It holds 1/5 of the fresh water in all of the world fresh water. When compared to Europe, it has 1,700 species of freshwater fish live in the Amazon River system. There are more incredible plants grow in the Amazon rainforest. These range from carnivorous, towering cap trees that grow up to 70 meters. And do you know about the Amazon water lilies, whose leaves can be grow over 2 meters in diameter? Insects. More different types of insects in the Amazon rainforest. Over 2.5 million insects lives in Amazon rainforest. Leafcutter ants who harvest huge amounts of vegetation. Amazon reptiles such as famous and cute the poison dart frogs. This is also one of the deadly creatures, including dangerous snakes and fearsome anacondas. Birds that live in the Amazon rainforest include colorful macaws and toucans. Over 300 species of hummingbirds are there in Amazon rainforest. Pretty amazing animals are in Amazon, that is jaguar, a beautiful but deadly rainforest predator. Next, one of the important facts of Amazon rainforest: tribes. 400 to 500 tribes groups are there in Amazon rainforest. Yanomami tribes is the largest tribe in the Amazon rainforest. There are about 50 of these tribes who do not have any contact with the outside world. A lot of rainfall here. During the rainy season, rainfall is between 60 and 180 inches. During dry season, rainfall between 30 to 100 inches. However, because the Amazon rainforest is so big, different parts of forest have different climates. Some parts of the Amazon rainforest experience dry season during there is no rainfall. Temperature. The average temperature in the Amazon rainforest is 27 degrees Celsius. There is more variation between day and night temperature, a difference between 2 to 5 degrees Celsius than seasonal variation. All around 80,000 plant species, 16,000 tree species, 2.5 million insect species, 1 in 5 of the fish species of this rainforest likely formed during the Econ era from 56 million years to 33.9 million years ago. Wow, it's amazing and fantastic God's gift of our earth. Okay, my dear audience, this is Jolin Clay Joe's Play channel. I will meet you with next video. Thank you. Subscribe